Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will have the example for hypothesis testing for mean when sigma is known. Question: at NZ Food Corporation, it used to take an average of 90 minutes for new workers to learn a food processing job. Recently, the company installed a new food processing machine. A random sample of 20 workers took an average of 85 minutes to learn the food processing procedure. It is known that the learning times for the workers to learn new machine are normally distributed with the population standard deviation of 7 minutes. Thus, the mean time taken to learn the new food processing procedure is different from 90 minutes. Test hypothesis at 1% significance level. The given information in the question, you have the word average of 90 minutes, meaning that this one will be your first information given, mu is equal to 90. And then you have the random sample of 20, this one will be your n equal to 20. Took an average of 85 minutes, this one will be your x bar equal to 85. What else do you have? Population standard deviation of 7. This is your sigma equal to 7. Then the last one, you have the 1% significance level. This is your alpha value 0.01. You have 5 steps to solve hypothesis testing question. The first step will be stating the null and alternative hypotheses. So your hypothesis is always mentioning about the question. What is the statement that you want to test? The question asks, does the mean time taken to learn the new food processing procedure is different from 90 minutes? So you have the word different here. Different means your symbol will be not equal value. The statement that you want to test is at your alternative hypothesis because you doesn't have any equality symbol here. So this is the one that you want to test. Then your null hypothesis will be the opposite symbol, which is mu is equal to 90. The second step is stating the critical value and rejection region. So as usual, draw your bell curve shape first, and then you have to decide where is your rejection region. That one will be based on your alternative hypothesis. You have the symbol of not equal value here. Then your test will be two-tail test. So your rejection region at your left side and also right side. So in the middle is your non-rejection region. What is the value of the rejection region? Will be based on this value alpha 0.01. Then you have to divide by 2 because you have 2 rejection region. Then the left side will be 0.05 and the right side will be 0.05 also. What else? Critical value. So your critical value is the cut-off value between these two regions. So you have 2 critical value. Whenever you deal with the sigma known, you have the z value here. So how to find the z value is based on the z table. So when you look at the z table with the probability 0.05, your z will be negative 2.58 for the left side and 2.58 for the right side. Step number 3 is calculating test statistic value. You have the z formula here, x bar minus mu over sigma divided by square root of n. So just substitute all the values given. Your x bar is 85, which is your sample average, minus mu 90 over sigma is 7 divided by square root of n is 20. Substitute everything and then you have the answer negative 3.19. Step number 4 is make a decision. So your decision based on the test statistic value. So your test statistic value just now is negative 3.19. So check whether this value fall in the rejection region or non-rejection region. So you have negative 3.19, that one will be somewhere at your rejection region, negative 3.19. So what is your decision? Since the statistic value did fall in rejection region, hence we reject the null hypothesis. The last step is your conclusion. Your conclusion will be based on the question. So question asked just now whether the mean time to learn the new field processing is different from 90 minutes. So this is the statement that you want to test. So based on the decision, you reject the null hypothesis. When you reject null, meaning that you are accepting the other hypothesis. So you are accepting the statement that you want to test. So you can say here that you have enough evidence to say that the mean is different from 90 minutes. So how to write the full sentence? Always mentioning about the percentage of the significance level, because your decision is based on this percentage. So at 1% significance level, we do have enough evidence to say that the mean time taken to learn the new food processing procedure is different from 90 minutes. So make sure your conclusion is tally with your decision. Okay, that's all. Thank you.